The dice came in for the clicker. We're about to open it up. So excited. This from Texas Custom Dies. Sure. I can tell these are all the right size. Look at that. That's for the radio strap.
Yeah.
The little part that goes on the top. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
This is the part. Wait. This guy. Oh, and I just realized that they're probably not missing the pip and punch over here. It's probably on the other side of the blade. I'm just looking at the ejection port, and the ejection port only has the ejection for the hole, and it is a slot here. I see that. Yep, I see it. So far, no mistakes actually.
This, I thought this would cut the leather, and the mesh, or this fluffy stuff is where you press it down.
The whole plate of that goes on top of here and pushes down onto the leather.
Oh, I thought it was the other way around, so
No.
this wouldn't scratch the...
No, you just lay this on top of the leather. So move it and then click it.
Do you take this off the...
Oh, that's it. Perfect.
Mighty Wonder. Yeah. It is what his name is.
Oh yeah.